inside the static air, where atoms turn like coins without a prayer. You crossed that field with carbon on your hands, and made the void admit it had demands. A little more than vacuum in your gaze, a measurables that altered all my days. The data bent, the instruments misread, as if pure space grew roots inside my chest. A little more than vacuum, that was us. Molecule to molecule, a sacred dust. No grand design, just pressure, spin and phase. A human kind of gravity in place. You left a trace, no formula could prove a minor shift that taught the stars to move from near zero into something I could trust. A little more than vacuum, that was us. The radio sky kept breaking into code. I heard your absence traveling node to node, in half-life hours and superconducting rain. I learned that loss can reorganize a brain. No pure vacuum survives a living heart. Once one collision pulls the frame apart, the constants blur, the boundary gets erased, and empty space starts forming human marks. A little more than vacuum, still with us. Kinetic dust, remembering what was. No grand design, just pressure, spin and phase. A borrowed cosmos turning in one place. You left a trace, no formula could prove a minor shift that taught my hands to move from near zero into something I could trust. A little more than vacuum, still with us. If matter keeps a record of a touch, then emptiness was never blank as such. Some residue stays orbiting the nerve, a little past the limit we deserve. A little more than vacuum, call it truth. A field equation written into youth. No grand design, just pressure, spin and phase. A borrowed cosmos asking us to stay.